To disable pop-up notification for baby sound alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under priority section, tap baby sound. While the alert for baby sound notification is set to alert, tap the blue on off switch next to show as pop-up to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. By doing this, when sound notification feature is on and it detects a baby sound near you, your phone will not show the notification as pop-up. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.